Hello fellow creative, I'm here to tell you that we can graduate financially and skillfully together. This is MUCIAN from MUCIAN Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. I'm a creative person like you, and I'm here to inform you that we can have or we can earn and stay motivated from our content creation. So I'm here to help you out, to give you or make you understand how you can benefit from the content you create, how you can improve, and how you can stay motivated. So subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any of the videos that I happen to release. Endeavor to see that you subscribe and click on that all and the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that I happen to put out. So I'm waiting for you. Just click that bell button after the subscription and you leave a comment and a thumbs up. I'm always giving out new videos every day, every now and then, so that we can improve as creatives. We'll happen to learn how we can benefit from the content we create, how, like, after releasing that content, where should we put it and how should we put it, all that in just one place on MUCIAN Lifestyle. Thank you.